AI in Engineering with Stephen the Engineer. Hello and welcome to our video on AI in material science. In this video, we'll explore the ways in which artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the field of material science. First, let's define what we mean by artificial intelligence in material science. AI in material science refers to the use of machine learning algorithms, computational modeling, and other AI techniques to predict and optimize the properties of materials. This includes everything from the composition and structure of materials to their mechanical, electrical, and thermal properties. Now, let's talk about some of the applications of AI in material science. There are many different ways in which AI is being used to enhance the capabilities of materials scientists, such as materials discovery. AI can help accelerate the discovery of new materials with specific properties by predicting the behavior of materials based on their composition and structure. Materials design. AI can assist in the design of new materials with tailored properties by optimizing the composition and structure of materials to achieve specific performance targets. Materials characterization. AI can help analyze and interpret experimental data to better understand the properties of materials, for example by identifying correlations between different material properties. Process optimization. AI can optimize the manufacturing process of materials to improve efficiency and reduce waste. So, what are the benefits of using AI in material science? Well, for one, it can greatly accelerate the discovery and development of new materials, which can have wide-ranging applications in industries such as electronics, energy, and healthcare. It can also help optimize the performance and efficiency of existing materials, leading to cost savings and improved sustainability. Of course, there are also some challenges to using AI in materials science. For example, the quality and quantity of data used to train machine learning algorithms can have a big impact on their accuracy and usefulness. There are also ethical considerations, such as the potential impact of AI-driven materials on the environment and society. Overall, artificial intelligence is poised to have a major impact on the field of materials science. By leveraging the power of AI, materials scientists can discover, design, and optimize materials with unprecedented speed and precision. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to AI in materials science, and stay tuned for more videos on a variety of topics in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.